Conversation 1.
What does your mom do?
She is a chef at a restaurant.
Cool! That means she is a good cook.
Yes, she is a great cook.
Where does she work?
She works at an Italian restaurant. Conversation 2.
What is your dad like?
He is funny. He's very friendly.
What does he look like?
He is tall and big.
How old is he?
He is 47. Conversation 3.
Who are your friends?
Betty, Jason, and Laura.
Are they students?
Yes, they are. They all study business.
Are they from around here?
No, they are all from different cities.
Are we there yet?
No, but we are close, I think.
How close are we?
We are 10, maybe 20 minutes away.
What? 20 minutes? Are we lost?
No, we are not lost. Trust me.